Hello everyone. Today we will learn about some non-convergent sequences. A sequence is said to be convergent if it is bounded and has a unique limit point. Non-convergent sequences. Non-convergent sequences are of two types. One is bounded sequences and another unbounded sequences. Bounded sequences. A bounded sequence which does not converge and has at least two limit points is said to oscillate finitely. Unbounded sequences. If a sequence Sn is unbounded on the left or below, then we say that minus infinity is a limit point of the sequence, and to each positive number capital G, however large, there corresponds a positive integer small m such that Sn is less than minus of G for all n greater than or equal to m. That is, the sequence has an infinite number of terms below minus G, and limit inferior Sn is equal to minus of infinity. B. If a sequence Sn is unbounded on the right or above, then we say that infinity is a limit point of the sequence, and to each positive number G, however large, there corresponds a positive integer m such that Sn is greater than G for all n is greater than or equal to m. That is, if a sequence is unbounded on the right, then there are many terms of the sequence Sn after the number G. That is, the sequence has an infinite number of terms above G, and limit superior Sn is equal to plus infinite. If a sequence Sn is bounded above or bounded on the right, but not below, and besides minus infinity has no other limit point, then minus infinity is not only its least but also its greatest limit point, and so we equate the upper limit also to minus infinity. That is, limit inferior Sn is equal to limit superior Sn is equal to limit Sn is equal to minus infinity. The sequence is then said to diverge to minus infinity. D. If a sequence Sn is bounded on the left or below, but not on the right or above, and besides plus infinity has no other limit point, then plus infinity is not only its greatest but also its least limit point, and so we have limit inferior Sn is equal to limit superior Sn limit superior Sn is equal to limit inferior Sn is equal to limit of Sn is equal to plus infinity. The sequence is then said to diverge to plus infinity. E. An unbounded sequence is said to oscillate infinitely if it diverges neither to plus infinity nor to minus infinity. Repeating again, an unbounded sequence is said to oscillate infinitely if it diverges neither to plus infinity nor to minus infinity. Thus, a bounded sequence either converges or else oscillates finitely, but an unbounded sequence either diverges to plus infinity or minus infinity or oscillates infinitely. Examples: sequence 1 plus of minus 1 to the power n oscillates finitely because its limit points are, if n even then it becomes 2, and if n is odd then it is 0. So, its limit points are 0 and 2. This is 0 and 2. So, this sequence 1 plus minus 1 raised to the power n oscillates finitely, whose limit points are 0 and 2. N square diverges to plus infinity because its terms are 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, etc. So, this sequence diverges to plus infinity. Minus 2 raised to the power n diverges to minus infinity. N into minus 1 raised to the power n oscillates infinitely. Minus 1 raised to the power n minus 1 by factorial n converges to the limit 0. 1 plus 1 by n converges to the limit 1. 1, the sequence 1, 2, half, 3, 1/3, 4th 1 by 4th is bounded below, but unbounded above, and has a limit point 0 because its lower bound is 0 and it is unbounded above. So, this sequence is bounded below by point 0 and unbounded above, and has a limit point 0 besides plus infinity. So, limit inferior Sn is equal to 0 and limit superior Sn is equal to plus infinite. Now, some solved examples. Example 1. Show that limit n tends to infinity 3 plus 2 square root of n by square root of n is equal to 2. Solution. Let epsilon be any positive number. So, by definition, modulus 3 plus 2 square root of n by square root of n minus 2 is less than epsilon if this quantity modulus, after simplification, this becomes 3 by under root n. So, this is less than epsilon if modulus of 3 by square root of n is less than epsilon, or n is greater than 9 by epsilon square. Let m be a positive integer greater than 9 by epsilon square. Thus, to epsilon positive, there exists a positive number m such that modulus of 3 plus 2 under root n by under root n minus 2 is less than epsilon for all n is greater than or equal to m, and therefore, limit n tends to infinity 3 plus 2 under root n by under root n is equal to 2. Example 2. Show that limit n tends to infinite nth root of a is equal to 1 if a is greater than 0, that is if a is positive. Solution: if a is greater than 1, let nth root of a is equal to 1 plus h n, where h n is positive quantity. Therefore, a is equal to 1 plus h n whole raised to the power n is equal to 1 plus n h plus n into n minus 1 by 1 into 2 h n square plus up to h n raised to the power n by binomial theorem, and this is greater than 1 plus n h for all n, because h n is greater than 0. Therefore, this quantity always greater than 0, and therefore, this a is equal to 1 plus h raised to the power n is always greater than this quantity 1 plus h n. So, a is greater than 1 plus n h n. By simplification, h n is greater than a minus 1 by n for all n. Let epsilon be positive, then modulus h n is equal to h n is less than a minus 1 by n, which is less than epsilon, when n is greater than a minus 1 by epsilon. So, if n is greater than a minus 1 by epsilon, then this inequality holds, that is modulus h n is equal to h n is less than epsilon. Now, let m be any positive number greater than a minus 1 by epsilon. Then, from this expression, and from the assumption, let n be any positive number greater than a minus 1 by epsilon. Then, from this quantity, we have modulus nth root of a minus 1 is equal to modulus h n, which is less than epsilon for all n is greater than or equal to m. if a is equal to 1, the result is trivial, and if 0 less than a less than 1, the result is obtained by taking its reciprocal. Therefore, from this expression we can say that limit n tends to infinity nth root of a is equal to 1. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please like, share and comment. Please press the bell icon to get notifications.